We thought we were just going to see a waterfall, but the journey had something else in store. No signal, no maps, just the road ahead and the sound of our own excitement. Every turn felt like a mystery, and every wrong trail made us laugh even harder. My journey on exploring Pdem Falls has to be the most adventurous one. Stay tuned to know what exactly happened. Hi guys, this is Meghalaya and welcome back to my channel. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel, Meghalaya. I hope you guys are doing really great. I'm also doing really great. Well, today I have Baksan with me. Baksan, would you please say hi to my vlog? So today it's a very pleasant day. I just hope it does not rain. And we are heading to this beautiful place that I've heard of, which is called Pdem Falls. No, Baksan? It is in Joy. So even Baksan has not been there, but he's heard about this place through his wife, so that's where we are heading. So we have just come to take some coke. Already got some snacks here. This time I did not get so much because every time I buy and then I don't have it. Chalo. Say hi. Hi. Come. Guys, we've come to this restaurant to have some lunch. Actually, it's a brunch because we haven't had anything since morning. So yeah, let me show you. We've got a very cute cafe inside. Let me take you.
Entry fees, it's 20 rupees per head, and then for parking is 50.
It's a lovely neighborhood. Someone is staying also here. So guys, we've been trying to look for the waterfall, which has been hidden from all of us for quite a long time. But we are still trying to find that waterfall, and we're just taking a walk. I think we have to trek for a while. And please, next time, if you guys are coming to this place, do not trust the Google map, because at one point you totally lose the connection. So I think I would recommend you to take a guide if we can find one. We parked our car because this person wanted to walk, and now this person is quiet. Say something. It was your idea, no?
Yeah, that's my idea.
So guys, thankfully we met a guide. You know, like he's not exactly a guide, but he's someone who stays out here, and he's the one who kind of guided us because we completely lost track of our way. And now I can see a board right in front of me. I think it's a map here. So looks like Pdem Falls is somewhere here. Pdem, this way. So let's try and see. My friends are way behind, but I'm leaving them behind because I can literally hear the waterfall sound, and I'm just trying to follow my instinct. I hope it's here. The map shows somewhere around. Those are my friends. Way too far. In the middle of nowhere. Trying to follow the map that was on the signboard. And yet I can see no signs of waterfall. But I can definitely hear some sound. And I think I see some people in front of me. After a quite adventurous journey, I've safely landed near this spot, closer to this signboard. My friends are behind me. I'm just following my instinct, guys. Trust me, this has been the most adventurous trip of my life. Finally! So guys, Blue Falls actually blew our mind because it was too tiny. So if you happen to come here, you can just skip this waterfall. I'm also quite disappointed with the falls I just saw, and my friends are equally disappointed, and they're blaming me for it because I was following my instinct and they were following me. But we took some help of the tourists who've already been here, and they have told us that there's another amazing waterfall, which is actually the Pdem Falls that we are heading to right now. This is the way to Pdem Falls. It looks like this. Next time you guys come, please don't get confused like me. This is the correct way. Hey, wo Pdem Falls yahi pe hai na?
Pdem is there.
Okay.
From here it is 500 meters. 500.
Thank you.
Okay.
It's finally, that's the waterfall. I'm so happy. Although the falls is not so strong because this place hasn't received waterfall for the last 2 weeks, which is why it does not look so strong, but it's still a waterfall. Look at this way. We're having a cute family picnic out here. Still trekking game going strong, except for him. He's totally upset because he doesn't like to trek, you know. But I don't mind because the view in front of me is stunning. Welcome to Pdem Falls. These guys are going to jump from here. Whoa. Whoa. That's my friend. See, now these girls are going to jump. Very brave girls. And the audience are watching.
From the dump.
Oh.
Hello? Next time we're gonna. You won't need to walk also.
Let's say bye to the waterfall. See you in the waterfall.
The waterfall and this river. Khatam. Tata. Bye bye.
So guys, he's the one who led us the way because we were almost lost, and I named him Hep Hep. Hi Hep Hep. Such a cutie he is. The only thing is I'm scared to touch him. Thank you so much for leading us. Guess what? On the way we discovered this unknown waterfall. It's hidden right in the middle. You can see. It almost looks like Nokkalikai Falls. Beautiful, no?
See, there was village also there.
Exactly. I think we can go there. There's a village out there. You can see tiny houses. Yeah. I'm ending this video with this beautiful view behind me. I hope that you enjoyed today's video. If you did, please do like, share and subscribe to my channel. Lots of love.